Good day, sir. We are about to present our project. So, let's start. Our client is Roger and Beth Pilinat Pen Store. This is the home page. Our website have 5 main pages. The home, profile, gallery, about, and contact us. First, we will take a look at the home section where you can see the different branches. Each branch have link to it where you can see additional pictures of that specific branch. First is the Daraga branch. Next will be the Legazpi Terminal branch. Third is Ginubatan branch, which is the largest branch. The fourth will be Cagsawa branch. This shows two pictures of the branches in Cagsawa. One is inside the Cagsawa ruins and the second is outside. The same with the fifth. We also put some advertisement on the page promoting the store. There is the admin login and order link. When you click the order link, it will direct you to a form that the customer have to fill up completely. If the customer didn't complete the form, the information will not be accepted. Thus, it is not stored in the database. So, let's try another one. After completing the form, the customer will be able to see the page that contains the products. With its name and corresponding prices. If the customer wants to buy a specific product, he or she will just have to click the cart symbol, and after that, the customer will see the cart of products that he wants to order. He can also add or remove a certain product. Let's remove the one product and add another one. If the customer is done with the carting, he will then click on the buy and the cart will be empty. Going back to the home page, now we'll go to the admin page. With the username admin and password 123. After logging in, the admin can view the records, update records, and add and delete products. The view records will show the information about the customer and view order page that contains the list of items that the customer bought. Going on with the update record, the admin can change the price of each product by simply clicking the update and the price will change. Adding product will ask you to supply the name and price of the product. Okay, and there you go. Lastly, on the delete product, each product have delete button on each side of it for easier action. Okay, that that comprises the home page or the main page. Going on to the next page, the profile. It contains the brief history of the business and some information about the owner, their awards in their 13 years in the industry. Next will be the gallery, which shows the other products that their store offers. Then about page and the contact us page. And that ends our presentation.